New day in the Matrix. As you guys can see, we have this nice ass Civic. I really like the color on it. It's looking really nice. So this is, I don't know if you guys know, this is Bodhi's sister. So you know, she must be a car girl. She's into cars. She's got Hello Kitty. Pretty nice car all around. But yeah, guys, she's gonna be getting stars. Shouldn't be a bad task, guys. How you're gonna just knock it out. We got Connor here already. We just finished up doing stars. So finished all up, got everything going, we got everything powered up. Now we're about to be putting everything back in the headliner. Grounding it was kind of a little bitch, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why it was giving me such a hard time, but we got it. And we are still live, guys, so make sure you guys are tapping into TikTok lives now, guys. I'm gonna be going live more often and showing y'all more of the progress of like how everything goes, you know. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys are staying tuned and following. Please follow, guys, and subscribe.
Pichándole a los otros, brincándote en la nave. Este todo estudio desde que me lo entraste. Se fue a chingar, es con la pre, tú quieres grabar. Te vas a hacer.
Guys, so finishing up right now. We've been in a little bit of a dilemma lately. We've been struggling on that piece right there, and basically, I don't know if you guys can see, but like it's a little bit sticking out in the bottom part. Compared to this side, you know, it's also a little bit out, but that one's just more. Why is it out a little bit more? That's because the fibers are so thick on that side, and it's using two. It's using dual. It's not just using one, it's using two. You know, we just have that little problem right there with this whole panel being out a little bit out, which is something that's like not too noticeable, but you know, just gotta let the customer know, get their opinions, thoughts, and go from there, you know. But overall, guys, it's been pretty good. It's been pretty good.
Las quiero roja como triunfares, pichándole a los otros, brincándote en la nave. Este todo estudio desde que me lo entraste. Se fue a chingar, es con la pre, tú quieres grabar. Te vas a hacer, mira lo que hago. Por las luces LED, me sube la nota y la hacemos otra vez. Se fue a chingar.
Guys, it's a new day. New day in the Matrix. Shout out to Yan. Bought a cigar. We didn't even smoke it. It's not even lit. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just bullshitting. Beautiful day out today, my beautiful minions. We have Connor here. He's cleaning his whip. You know, we got a full house today. We got my parents home. Just doing some spring cleaning. Gonna clean the whips. I'll probably clean up mine too. Connor wants to do some things. Nothing much going today, guys. Chill day. Nothing much going. About to do some stuff to Connor's car. Might do something to mine, but today's just really a day of like, I don't know, organizing, catching up, doing much more than what needs to be done in the household. My parents just came out. Fuck. And it's basically like one of. Oh, whoa. Hey, I'm here. Cheers. We're not drinking that shit, boys. Boys, welcome back. We have a beatbox, we have a cigar, we got a Coke, we got Connor, we got his girl. Guys, we're at amazing kickback, as you guys can see. All great people here, nothing but great people. We're having a great time. You know, I just found a beatbox in the cooler. I bought Yun's cigar. Yun, I'm so sorry for chiefing your cigar, bro. I know you said you're gonna come get it tonight, but I completely brought it to the party, bro, and I'm smoking it. I'm about to finish it. Guys, we're at Sean's house. Sean's house. Fuck no. His dad's at home. Fuck. Guys, we're at Sean's now. So we're at the party. My boy Andrew's birthday. Andrew, how old are you? 17. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. One more year and I can touch you all I want. Oh yeah. Can't wait.
But basically we got Edwin, so he's preparing us an onion. So So should be a nice little meal for the night, you know. But bro, let's have a fucking banger ass party, bro. I'm trying to do cocaine or some shit. Guys, we're at Sean's fucking house. Fire ass night, I'm not even gonna lie. The night is just getting started. Sean's gonna shower for some reason, I don't know why. But we got and we're about to get fucked up tonight.
Tú por mí te desvías de su casa a la mía. Bebé, no te me escondas, vivir la escondida no es vida. Pero es que tú guardas rencor, quieres hacerme daño a mí y a él. Ese cabrón no te fiel, los bandidos son reales y él no causa nada en mí. Si lo vuelvo a tener de frente no va a fallar un tip. Ey, te secuestro, yo te rapto, no se ve nada pa' dentro de la Raptor. En fugal, alcohol, si miras para el techo puedes ver los astros, las estrellas y una de ellas te enseño cómo se camella, solo pa' que veas, yo te recojo en el escape.
Guys, it's currently nighttime. We're beyond. It's good, guys.
You haven't got the craziest rig of my life, guys. As you guys can see, this is quality work.
That cheap shit.
Oh, no, none of that cheap shit.
Oh.
You're smoking a fucking cigarette. Gang, my parents are definitely gonna come out here.
Baby, yo soy quien te sube, el que te construye y te destruye. Cuerpo corrido como fules, esa Lincoln es mía, esa no es de Uber.